Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Shopify subscription or close down your store. It's a pretty simple process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. Now, as you can see, I'm here on my dashboard. The first thing you have to do is click on the top right side. Once you click on that, click on Manage Account. Once you do that, you can scroll down and see all the information that you have in this account. Quickly click on Security on the left side. And once you do that, make sure you have disabled all the authentication methods like two-step verification. And also make sure you have logged out of every device other than this one so that you can easily close down the store and it doesn't cause any problems in the future. Once you have taken care of this, you can go back to your main dashboard. And under here, you can click on Settings on the bottom left corner. And in here, you can click on Plan. Now, before you go ahead and deactivate your account, for me, it is showing deactivate trial because I'm using a trial version. For you, it will show you something different like deactivate account or store. But before you do this, make sure you stop paying for the apps that you have used in this store. Let's say you have downloaded an app for reviews, an app for other things. Make sure you uninstall those apps so that they don't charge you money even after you've closed this store down. Now, if you've taken care of all of the things that I've said, it's pretty much the last step required is just to click on deactivate your account. It will ask you for a reason. You can see you don't have enough time, and yeah, click on continue and click on deactivate store, and that is it. Your store will now get deactivated, and you can obviously come back and reactivate it with just a single click. But yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can cancel your Shopify subscription or close your store down. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.